In this video, I'll show you how to change the font in Gamma AI. First, from your dashboard, open the presentation that you want to edit. Then, highlight the text that you want to change. For example, in this first card right here, just highlight it. Then once you do that, the text toolbar will appear. And from here, you can adjust the font size. And then you can also change the color or format the font however you like. Now, if you want to change the overall font style, you can do that through the theme settings. Just go to the theme, select a theme. For example, let's choose this one right here. And just click it, and your font style will update automatically. That's how you change the font in Gamma AI. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful.